Hello and welcome to Big City Luxury. Today in front of us we have a Star Model B, one of my new favorite surplus firearms. And as we all know, at the surplus market, when you see a surplus rifle or a surplus pistol or even magazines, which brings us to this video, you should grab them while you can. We all know the story of the Mosin Nagant that was readily available at 79 bucks at pretty much everyone's gun shop, and now we're lucky to find them under $250. So I had ordered a couple of magazines for my new old surplus Star Model B from Robertson Trading Post, and today we're going to do a little unboxing. I'm going to pop this thing open here and see what we have. Very nice. Get no ammunition anywhere, so you can give this a try. Beautiful. So the trick with this particular Model B is that it's an older generation of the two. So the magazines have this little tab on them. So finding them, again this is a 9mm Luger, finding these old mags with the tab have become increasingly difficult. So again, with surplus, when you find them, buy them, because they are going to disappear forever. And now with the magic of video, I've organized the space a bit more. I'd love to be able to show a close-up of these magazines. Again, they've come in used condition, but to me they are excellent to almost unused. I can see that tab really nicely there. So super excited. Now I have 4 total magazines, one that came with the firearm and these 3 new ones. Can have proper range time. Again, thank you for watching. Until next time.